Hey everybody. So just wanted to talk to you a little bit about another thing that you can do to help reduce your anxiety, help reduce the stress of the day. And this is a tough one for me. It's something kind of new. And being honest, I don't always do it, but I feel better when I do it. And that's getting a little bit of exercise. So this is not going to the gym and getting like a full workout. This is just getting your body moving. This is the first thing, one of the first things that you're going to do in the morning. And what I found really effective for me is having things at home that I could use to actually be able to get a little bit of exercise in without having to have like a full gym or a Stairmaster. Or, I mean, do they still make Stairmasters? You know what I mean? Like any of those kind of things, an exercise bike. That's great if you have room for that, but I don't want that kind of thing in my house because it takes up too much room. So I just wanted to share you three things that you can use, tools that are tiny, take up a tiny little bit of space, but can actually help get your blood flowing. So that's what you want to do first thing in the morning is get that blood flowing. 15 minutes tops is great for this. Again, this is not replacing the gym or like a full on exercise. This is more to get your blood flowing, get you awake, and get your day started on a positive routine. So first one is kettlebells. So this is a kettlebell, and these come in all different weights. You can get little ones like, let's see, this is like a little 8 pounder, and they go even smaller, like down to 2 pounds. And you can just do exercises with these. So just Google kettlebell exercises. That's what I did, and it's actually like a ton of them that you can do on YouTube that are free and easy to follow along with. You just want to be careful if you're doing anything heavy. Just follow the safety procedures because kettlebells can hurt your back if you do something kind of crazy with them. But just doing some basic exercises just to get your blood moving. Those are easy. The next one, and this one's going to take you back to middle school days. Fun fact, I almost didn't pass, I think it was kindergarten, because I couldn't jump rope. So this is like a super basic jump rope. It's cool though because it's adjustable. I think it was like $5 on Amazon. Maybe cheaper than that. I just got like the cheapest one, but you can adjust it so multiple people can share it. Just doing a few minutes of jump rope. Now, if you're like me, I'm not the best jump roper. So what I do is I just set a timer and I jump rope, I mess up, I go back and jump rope some more. But this exercise will wear you out and really get your blood flowing. Something you can do, in your living room, in your basement. I'm down here in the basement. I just have a few of these things set up so that, I can always go to one of these in the morning. Try and do it before the kids wake up and, just get the day started right. Then the last one is exercise bands. So you can get these in different weights also. I think this one is like a 9 pound. It doesn't tell you on it. So I think this one is like around 9 to 10 pounds. You can get them all the way up to like 100 pounds of resistance. And you can do a whole bunch of exercises. Again, just Google resistant band exercises. But, look, this is tiny. So you can put this like in a cabinet drawer. I keep it just hanging downstairs. I have a few different ones. But these will let you do all kinds of exercises just, again, to get that blood flowing, get you feeling better for your day. So, yeah, that was it. Just wanted to encourage you in your morning, part of your morning routine to help reduce anxiety, to help start feeling better in the morning, and just creating just a much better day is just 15 minutes of exercise. You can also go out and walk somewhere. That's even better, getting outside, getting a little bit of sunshine. But with it getting cold now, that's going to be harder to do. Push-ups, sit-ups. Think of some of those old, calisthenic kind of exercises, any of those that you can do, and you can mix it up. I usually do all three of these because I don't want to jump rope for 15 minutes and I don't want to do kettlebells. So I kind of mix them all up. But at the end of that, you're awake and you're feeling good, and you might even be able to skip that coffee. So yeah, just something to think about. And I hope this helps somebody out there. let me know what you do for your morning routine. Tell us a little bit about how you get started with your exercises in the morning. All right, so thank you, and this is Wellness.